It's estimated that the British consume over 100 million cups of tea per day. Some claim it's the key to good mental health, but why? And while we're on the subject, are we even making it correctly? This is Fortnum & Mason, a London department store world famous for its tea selection.
Here we are going to prepare a nice cup of black tea. If you want a nice, superior cup of tea, I would suggest to you loose leaf tea. If you use the tea bags, you have no space for the leaf to brew properly.
One of the things that's characteristic of tea and tea making is that it can't be done in an instant. And that is an increasingly uncommon phenomenon in our present day-to-day lives. The active chemical ingredient that's been identified in the leaves of tea is theanine, a chemical that improves alpha waves, which are associated with calming and concentration.
You can use boiling water, but just let the water cool off 30 seconds will be okay. And then just pour your water inside.
We know that slowing down and doing one thing at a time is good for us, as is required when making a cup of tea.
Black tea, I can brew 3 to 5 minutes. If a green tea, for example, 2-3 minutes.
It takes time to boil water. Then the tea has to brew. That's a really long time in this current day and age.
So, using a strainer, like that, and you pour your tea gently in the cup.
When we drink tea, we're taken back to earlier memories of tea drinking, and they're typically associated with engagement with others, conversation.
That's ready.
It's just something that is inoffensive, and it is this sort of social lubricant. Inviting someone for a cup of tea, offering to make it, because of course, just the simple act of making a cup of tea for a colleague means I'm going to take some of my time and invest it in doing something for you.
This is a moment of mindfulness as well, so you can enjoy the present moment.
Also, there is the physical holding of something warm, which is a more pleasant sensation than holding something cold. So the social and cultural aspects of tea are almost indistinguishable from the chemical ones.